to reset your Telegram password or how to log into your account if you forgot your Telegram password. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can access your account if you forgot your password on Telegram. Now basically, if you set the two-step verification, if you tap on start messaging, I'll just choose my country code first and then I'll enter in my number here. So if you tap on next, it'll ask you for password. Right now here it has sent me a code here directly, but if you set the password and you forgot the password here, it'll ask you for your password. Now what you want to do is, now let me get the code here first. I'm not getting the code, I'll get it via the SMS. I'll show you. Now you can see my account is logged in, and here it'll ask me for password. Now in case you forgot the password, you can see the forgot password option there on the screen, right? You want to simply tap on it. Now it'll send a recovery code to the email that you have set as your recovery email. So tap on continue and then you'll get the code. Now let us wait. I should get a code on my Gmail. So if you're unable to access your Gmail as well, what you can do is tap on unable to access there, and you can see it says if you can't restore access your email, your remaining options are either to remember your password or to reset your account. And resetting your account, it's not possible as well. You'll have to tap on forgot password. It'll send a recovery email to your Gmail. So the code Gmail that you provided as your backup, you'll find it there. And once you get the code, you can see I've got the code. And once you enter the code here, you'll be able to log in easily and enter in the new password, or you can skip as well. So this way you can easily reset your password for Telegram. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.